Welcome to another video of Makwala Agri. We're out here. Today we are servicing our favorite car, which is the Polo that I started the business with. So what we have done now, we have taken out the two plugs over here. So we left to take these two plugs. How you take a plug out, you actually use, did you unscrew this one, Chief?
Yeah, but it's too tight.
It's still too tight?
Yeah.
Okay. This one?
Yeah, too tight, but just give it a swing, yeah.
Sort of. So we just loosen them. Hey, they're very tight, Chief. I think last time I serviced this car, it was last year, and I think I did over 50,000 I serviced it. Yeah, that's why they're tight. So how you take a plug out, you use your coil pack. Oops. It's still not.
I think that should be fine. You should be fine by now.
So, it doesn't want to come out. That's why I'm using this one. You see it. It's very tight.
You drove it for how many kilos? 50.
Since the last service?
Yeah.
I think it is 50.
It does make sense. Why is it tight?
Why?
I can remember as it drives, it pull it down.
It pulls?
The spark plug.
Yeah.
It pulls down. Use an extension.
Yeah,
It doesn't go in.
it doesn't fit. It's too big, this thing. Let me just
Continue with that.
continue with this one. You saying as it drives it what?
It pulls it down.
Oh, so as it busy burning the fuel.
Yeah, it pulls it down and it bends. So hence you can see, check them, they're black, they're bent. They don't want to come out.
Where is this? The spark plugs don't want to come out. But they are loose.
You can use a different one. Use a different one. Okay.
They don't fit this one.
See which
Oh, it came out. I didn't even see it. Yeah, this is how you take it out. So you just hook it with the coil.
It wasn't loose enough. At first it wasn't loose enough.
Okay. But this one is just loose enough.
Come out.
It's loose. Yeah, this is how you hook it up.
If you don't want to get spacing.
That's the what?
If you leave the spacing between, it's too wide open.
Serious? Okay, let's check the brand new one. Let's see if this guy is telling us this when he said the spacing. There's no such. There's no such, my guy. No, there's no such.
The spacing is the same.
The spacing is the same, my guy.
My theories are wrong.
Your theory is wrong, Chief. There's no such. No, they just get bent. Yeah. So this is the old high. I'm okay. This is the new one. This is the old one. So VW will charge you 4,000 to do a major service on a car. We just bought the service kit for 1.4, which means we saved a lot of money. It's January. So we're gonna put the new ones now.
Clean yourself. How we clean it?
Cleaning.
That thing.
The what?
There's
nothing to clean. We clean again.
If it's okay, you can put it. If it's okay, you can put it back. Other day. I can pause the money.
So now we're gonna be jigging the car to drain out the old oil from the car. So this is the oil filter that you're gonna take out as well when you do your service. We have a new filter over here. I just don't have the. See, this is the new oil filter. And then okay, this is the oil, the plugs, and then as well as the filter. This is the air filter, which we're gonna replace as well. So the oil filter goes here. The air filter, I mean, it goes here. This is where the air filter will go, and this is the packet for the air filter. And then you have your aircon filter as well. So this is for your aircon. It goes inside underneath the, what do you call this thing, Chief?
Which one? The radiator. Which one?
No, not the radiator. The one here. What do you call this thing? Cabin. Yeah.
The cabin.
So the aircon filter goes underneath. Somewhere here, there's a box that we're gonna be putting it in. So yeah.
Can you find a container to put the oil?
Yeah. So just try to find something that you're gonna put the oil inside when you drain it out. So right now, I'm just gonna be taking back the plugs. I'm gonna show you how we take back the plugs. Very simple. We use our coil pack just to put it back. Another one. It's another one.
But I don't like 2 liter
Feeding it back. Yeah.
oil.
I think it's around 3 liters. This one. It takes around 2 point something or to 3 liters. I forgot how much, but it doesn't take the whole 5 liters. Yeah, I'm just gonna screw it like that with the coil, just to make sure that it's in. And then we took our tool. Where's the tool that we're using to take out the plugs? Oh,
I'm not sure about that packet by Shim Sarabia.
here it is. Rudiani?
I'm not sure kapag ito ay Shim Sarabia. When I trim along. So, there is a more. Don't trip. I'm just going to take the knife. To make it easy, I'm going to take the knife.
Hey man, you must have two what?
What?
2 liters. Since you want to use a 2 liter, you have to have 2.
I don't worry, I'll sort it.
Yeah, it's tight enough. Last one. That's it. Use a coil. Let's put it back in. Okay. Let's try this. Let's lift this a little bit. Very good.
Yes. Yeah. You must have 2 liters of what? 2 bottles of 2 liters.
Since you don't have a container of oil, because I think it takes 2.1. No, 2.5. Yeah, 2.5 for 3 liters. I forgot how much it takes. But we're gonna use we don't know. We're gonna use the oil stick to tell us if it's enough or not.
Okay. It's wide enough almost.
As long as it's one shoe, Chief.
As long as I know the hole. Mbo.
As long as it's one ball. Any?
Spaniard, you say 1917.
93.
Okay.
Somewhere.
We're in the same place that they're in Hat.
That was the new watch.
Stupid one.
We're going under.
I'm going under.
Let's go under and see.
Oil sample in from that side.
What is the oil sample? This is the sample. Oh, is this other side?
My side.
It's here.
Can see. Is it fine if I come in from this side? Or I'm far?
You can come this side as well.
Okay.
This is the sample. The oil. Where one?
Then you like it.
See you body. Man, I'm going to feel it hole.
Oh. In there. What is it? The cooler box. Matter. So fair play. Continue.
Go there. Go
continue.
See where.
Okay. Oh, see.
I go to the chief.
Sorry.
Reposta kwa YouTube ya magwalag. Reposta kwa YouTube ya magwalag. Kesna ngwana bana. Ona lo marumo ngwana ka ba. Ona marumo ngwana ka.
Mana real.
Au pole molo kwa YouTube no rilo supa ngwana.
Shi.
Marumo ngwana ka. Yeah.
It's excellent.
Man. Don't continue. Eh, oil machila. Maso magincha oil into so.
Oh,
Pagi saman.
pagi se.
Khanis kut sala wasbula.
Ah,
Wai? Emre ta alamun. Sambuskay.
Sir.
Watch it like. Oh, come on. I told you, Chief, got not 2 liter, more than 2 liter.
And it's a flow, you can come.
Incha, there.
Filter.
Yo. Hey. Now you can take out the filter.
What? Don't ask me to keep it.
No, I can see you've damaged that filter, Chief.
It's not damaged.
It does damaged.
No bend a bit. But I don't know, baby. Yes, as long as we have managed to loosen it up. Yeah.
That's it.
That's it, it's done.
Hey, and how do you... Oh. Yeah, the oil is flowing now. Almost done. Toroso.
The thing has to be level higher. The car.
Fine.
For oil 3%.
Oh, no, we unjack. So, what do you do?
It's like people alone.
Hey,
I don't already got a.
So, now we're busy taking out the
Nah, grass. Eric put some mic
air filter.
from my side, ne?
Yeah, we're going to read.
Okay. You say busy, Mama Halabe. Ah, I'm going to have.
But I'm told to hold three. Mother from me for the side. Gibson Park. Mother from dinner was said I don't do one. Romero location. Over check a company on a location. Romero. At the road, our request over. Yeah, this is fair. So this is the air filter. This is the old one.
No, it's right.
This is the new one.
You're giving the housing of the effort.
Yeah. You know, Chief. Now when they say, Chief, what's your experience if you applied in the what they call it?
Automotive.
Yeah, industry. Then you tell them, right.
I got a major service experience.
Yeah, this is a major service, Chief.
Service in a
The only thing that we didn't take out here on the major service is the petrol filter.
Okay.
But even at the VW, ne, they don't like taking those out.
After every 100, ne?
The petrol filter.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's after, normally take them after 100,000 kilometers. That's when they take the petrol filter out. But they don't like taking them out because there are some pins there that you can break, and it's costly to fix them. Yeah.
Let's try this side.
So yeah. Now you're gonna return this. Let's go see. VW for what? VW for who? They're quoting you 3,000 to 4,000 for this thing. Come on, Chief.
If ever you have the right tools, you can do it yourself.
Yeah, you can do it if you have the right tools, and then on plug. Because some people are afraid.
The likes of you.
The likes of who?
You.
Why am saying I'm afraid?
You're afraid to break the plugs.
Yeah, that's the only thing I'm afraid to break, Chief. Because if you break a plug, it means you must take the whole top to engineering. So that's something that you must be careful on. That's why it's very important, especially if the car is old. You haven't been serviced in a while, and then when you try to take that plug, it's too tight, and you break it. Fix, Chief.
Another story.
It's another story. Now you have to take out the whole top and then take it to engineering. That's the only thing that I'm afraid to break. The rest I'm fine. I've seen someone trying to do his own service and he broke the
plug. That's a problem.
Now you have to hire a mechanic
to remove the top.
Because now it's another story. The timing chain and everything there.
Yeah, it's gonna come costly.
Where are those pins for this cover? They come costly, Chief.
You have to remove. You have to remove them to the coil pack.
what they call coil pack. This is what caused this plug
to ignite.
I was shown how to service a car by a guy who used to work at Vivo. Brasoli. Yeah. Credit to him.
Patel.
Mr. Patel.
The mechanic himself.
This one comes here.
Of Bavaria.
Motorworks.
Yes. Oh, that one now. That's what it is.
To plug it back.
That's good.
It's hard to unplug this thing, Chief. Yeah, show the feet. Let's put the wires back. Today I'm Mambo. Today I'm Mambo. I'm Mambo repairs today. I'm Mambo. So guys, if you have a Polo Vivo, you need someone to do service for you. You can call Magwala. I'll come and do the service.
Almost done, most.
Yeah?
You only have the filter. This one for the aircon filter, ne?
Yeah, no, that one will do it later. So what we have to do now is to put the new washer.
The new what?
The washer. This one.
Oh.
You have to put this one back. So you said you're gonna have to inject the car so that it can drain the whole oil.
Let's show the washer. Let me see the washer.
This is the old one. This is the new one.
Why do you have to replace?
Actually, the only thing that needs to replace is this one. Is the
the
washer here.
The washer.
But when they sell you the whole thing, I think it costs around 50 rand this thing. Okay. I forgot how much. I'll check the prices on my code. So yeah,
just keep it to a lower level. See if ever.
Okay, let me take the bucket out first, so that we can lower the car.
Hello.
What was happening here?
Oh, Anna. Okay, tightening the sump. Is going underneath. He's trying to tighten the sump so that we can take the oil. We are pulling the oil. So yeah, this is the amount of oil. But the other one is in the other container. It's just that it's still under the car. Here's the other container. There it is. Almost full.
My God,
Anyway.
Oh, already?
Yes.
Oh. So when you take the oil filter, the new one, when you put it back, you have to lubricate it.
Why don't you use the new one?
Nah, you can use the old one. You have to lubricate. See, when you put it in, it must go nicely, Chief. Yeah, so you must lubricate so that you can operate. Yeah, just have to lubricate it so that you can operate nicely, Chief. So that you can operate the hand nicely.
The importance of lubricants. We reduce the wear, the friction.
This one you can tie it with your hands. You don't need to tie it up with a
shop.
Yeah?
You have to be too tight, right?
Doesn't have to be too tight. So I can clean my hands with this thing. Your mother will kill us later.
Okay. I think she's a new. I know it tight up on yourself. Is it rice?
Sure. Man.
Feed you.
What feed you, sir? Ratsapan. Everything ka mo. VW is stuck. Yeah, this is the oil.
What's F1 multi-gray or game?
We're not sure. Yeah, I would get you some idea for pan. I get some manual.
If we have 4 to 5 feet.
If you 40, 5 Racha VW.
Hello, we begin to Lagamoka.
In
Tonella.
Uji.
To see also turn with Chigamoka.
What is this?
Tonella is silver.
I look room for Jagan from Wisira.
Oh, one tree you to sort oil chiller. It's like a flow one.
Don't know what you flow with one flow. I've been doing this for years. VW.
Chawagalisha. About chili, you were on a naked chair.
You follow.
The brick has a little change. The right. And this one, if you're joining
Oh, it's nice to be mechanic. Can you work in G? In G.
Why am I going to take?
Get a tamil like fatigue.
The fun part of it.
We're going to lose the long one. I got a just for fun.
Check out most of the
Sagolota, I'm not interested again.
so now
So I think it's a lot of somewhere. Kill with interest in very inch. I forgot to recall. Yeah, Salvam Bunch and not really. I don't know pussy. Yeah, about the more what to do 200. Oh, to be on oh, much love. No, very shabby. I do the kind of country. Oh, the will over our Kamayana, so they were in.
I never last like a change.
Oh, yes, it is.
A lot of fun and I got perfume.
Hey, I'm going to call you Nila Matarfa. Kamar Gulio and Kawut. I won't interest.
The new one.
One of them are at the street tower. This is the new, that's the old one. So that's why you'll find your car smelling bad. Or as another shade. She'll look at my million, sir. Oh, yeah, man. What do you mean?
No, no, no.
Yeah, I don't know what we say, Valley.
Valley. What's a valley?
You can't watch the body now, though.
No, John. I don't go.
Moya, one night. Moya, Polo one. Now, it's a get at one. Sleep over by Tatu, come for school gone. It has just in Juro. Because in Juro mall. Hello, we have 400. What is what you see? Marvalo mburile gore. Ni visa o mai. Come on. Taki to Alexander Bully home.
Hello, so I hide the full in the yeah.
You know, Bully sister Ruby. Kino di kamera, belum saya keluar dengan 10,000. Jangan lagi rat. Nagersa. Ini kayak. Bilo iya nanti ada lagi dia yang explore siguan. Enggak play ke office guru. Kalau kagian, itu kita nak guna office. Guru letter guru tenang guru guys, tata kalau letter kun kagu. Kapelanya no west jadi. Sure. So we are done with the service. This is everything that you do. The only thing that's left is to take it to car wash so they can wash it. Don't remember subscribe, share, comment, like. If you wanna a mechanic to come service your Polo, give us a call. Numbers in the bio. I thought I was start. And say it was good. Done. So let me show you how to switch off the light, chief. I got now it says inspection. When your car it says inspection, it means now got service again. This is how you turn off the light. I haven't done this in a while. Put it on. Part last time we rig, but I beg you to last. Last time we rig much. I switch you off.
Chinchanago mar.
Yeah?
Chinchanago.
Chinchanago. Oh yeah. Chinchanago. Keep where pressure. I hold it on this side. Chinchanago both side this thing. No, you're supposed to change your side. At last I will rig you, man. It's not doing the thing that's supposed to do. This one changes side. But yeah, that's how you do it. You turn it left or right. You press it, you hold it, ne? You press it down. And then you turn it left or the class state works different. Like this. Class state works different.
No, we press it.
Roga different. Why soft and I'll save you so. In. Oh, oh,
The train.
because the cluster doesn't want to do what it's supposed to do. Because normally what you do, you hold this thing, and then after holding it, you turn it to the other side, which is the left side, and then you put the car on, and then it will take off the light. But yeah, it's not doing the thing that's supposed to do now. But anyway, it's fine.